Good morning, everybody. It's Molly here at the shop today, and I thought I would take this opportunity since we're having this fabulous flash sale with these Kinross scarves, originally $165, now $85 while supplies last, to do a fun little scarf tying tutorial. I've done these in the past, so some of this may not be new knowledge to you, but I think it's nice to have a visual reminder of different ways to tie scarves as we're sort of on the move, hopefully very busy with summer plans and get-togethers and being with family and friends and all the things we love. So first of all, these shawls are absolutely beautiful. This is a really pretty sort of ikat, has our nice pops of color and then that soft gray. So it's great transitional, works kind of anywhere. So for this one, I'll open her up, do her in half like this, and then just you put about 30% over here, keep 60% over here, and then just loop it around like that. So you just get this nice cowl. You can twist this more if you want it to be smaller. And then another way to sort of make it smaller is to do a couple of small knots like this. And it kind of just keeps everything, I just tied 2 little knots, just keeps everything nice and tailored. Or if you like a little more volume, these scarves are so lightweight, they're silk and cashmere, so they really can be big or small depending on how you want, what look you're going for. You just spread it out and then you get like a lot more coverage. It's really pretty. You can see more of the pattern just depending on what you want. So the next one I'll pull is this really pretty pink and beige sort of combination. Lovely, lovely scarf. And for this, I'll do the classic, fold it in half and then tie through. I think because you have this gradation at the bottom, it's really nice to kind of highlight that. And when you pull it through like that, you show all this pretty color. Another fun way, once you've done this, a next step would be just to put it to one side that you wish. Take one piece and leave it, and take the other piece and kind of, throw it over your shoulder. And it should stay because this is not slinky fabric. It has that cashmere, gives it a little bit of a Velcro feeling, and it just gives a really kind of dramatic look to the scarf, makes it look a little dressier. And again, so that's just the fold in half, put it through, and then you just put it to one shoulder. It's not complicated, but it does provide a different look, which is really fun. I love this one. This color combination always makes me think of Mary Goucher. She looks so fabulous in this sort of shocking chartreusey lime and chic pale gray. So this is a similar way. We're going to start with it folded in half. You've seen me do this one before. And so instead of putting both through like we did on the previous, you're just going to put one end through, just like that. Forget about it. And then just twist the loop once. It doesn't matter which direction you twist it, right-handed, left-handed, doesn't matter. So you just twist it once, and you see I'm creating this little barrier right here, and then you put the other loop through. And what this does is it actually creates a little knot. It's really neat looking. It's very tailored and lovely, and this is great under a jacket. I've said that many times, but it's also just great like if you don't know what to do with a scarf. And it's not hard. Especially once you do it a couple times. I like to do it looking in the mirror, so you can watch the video and then go over to the mirror and do it. And honestly, once you do it a couple times, the muscle memory will hopefully kick in. But this one's lovely. It's just got all these neutrals and then that pop of vibrancy. It's just a really fresh color for summer. And another way for someone that really doesn't like things around their neck, but really want that look of a scarf, plus the texture it adds to an outfit, it really changes it. This one is so pretty, the horses, and this is a lovely traveler. Like if you're off to Europe this summer, this one's got a lot of black. So this, of course, you could wear it as a shawl. So shawl style is just simply open it up, throw it on. Don't think about it too much. That's like what I say mostly with scarves. The less you think about it, the better it usually looks. But just really pretty like that, shows all the pattern. And again, I'm moving around and it's pretty much staying in place. And then the other thing I would do with this is create almost like a necklace. You've seen this in the shop if you've been here, where you have it long like this. And at the very ends, you tie 2 loose knots. That's the trick. Don't pull it too tight. When you pull it too tight, it just doesn't look chic. I don't know, there's something about it. When it's loose, it has more volume, it has more effortless look to it. And so I've basically transformed this scarf into a necklace because you just put it on and you're done. You don't have to touch it. You don't really have that much around your neck. So if that's something you're sensitive to, it's just a great way, especially like on an all black outfit, not the crazy outfit I have on. This just would give it some really beautiful contrast and just really look chic. And people will be like, ooh, I love the way she tied her scarf. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. If you have any questions about the shawls or anything at the shop, we are open all summer, even though we may be very far away from you, and we would love to chat. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.